This month I'm doing tuna pasta bake. It's a staple in our house, and what's great about it is if you don't eat fish, you don't have to put that in. I always add it last, so there is a portion without. So start off, just pop the milk in the pan on a low heat and add the packet, and then you just got to make sure you stir it really well. You don't want any lumps in this, so just stir and more stirring, nice and gentle over the heat until it's all completely combined, and then you just want to add the heat until it bubbles to thicken it up. We love a bit of sweet corn, so that goes in next, and just popping in about half a can and just mix it into the sauce. Obviously I've got some pasta on the go on another ring here, but I'm sure you know how to make pasta, so not going to show you how to do that, but here it is, pasta going in, and just boil it up until it's at your required level. We like it a bit harder, a bit crunchy, so just checking it, test it, it's cooked, and then drain off the pasta, of course, get rid of all the excess water before combining that sauce. Just like always, I like to really scrape out the pan, make sure it is all used up. Combine it with the pasta. I'm doing everything left-handed here because I'm free holding the camera because I've lost my tripod. And then if you want some tuna in there, if tuna is in your diet, then that's when we add it now. So I've taken a portion of the pasta and sauce out already, put that in a bowl, and then adding in the tuna, and then all that remains is a sprinkle of cheese, and serve it up, and there you have a very quick and easy, filling and affordable tuna pasta bake, or no tuna pasta bake, whichever you prefer. Well done guys, live long, live well, live cheaply. See you next time.